so calculated, this death. Please help him. Please just don't let him fall apart. Please help him. Please help me, Jesus.
I just let it flow. I told my mom that I loved her. Talked to each of the boys. I hated to say goodbye. I told them if I get the chance, I would call them back right before I go.
What is it, Matti?
My mother said it was that Vitello. I always regret that you got involved with him. And I didn't want her to think that. Something you said. I could have walked away, but I didn't. I let myself listen to him. I was a victim, a fucking chicken. He was older, tough as hell. I was all boozed up, trying to be as tough as him. I didn't have the guts to stand up to him. I told my mother I was yellow going along with him. I didn't stand up to him. My mother kept saying, no, it wasn't you, Maddie. It wasn't you.
Yeah, well, your mama loves you, Matt.
That boy, Walter.
Yes? What, Matt?
I killed him.
And Hope?
No, ma'am.
Did you rape her?
Yes, last night, when they dimmed the light on the tier, I kneeled by my bunk and prayed for them kids. I've never done that before.
Oh, Matt. There are spaces of sorrow that only God can touch. You did a terrible thing, Matt. A terrible thing. But you have dignity now, and no one can take that from you. You are a son of God, Matthew Ponslet.
Ain't nobody never called me no son of God before. I was called a son of you know what. Lots of times, but never no son of God. I just hope my death gives their parents some relief. I really do.
Well, you know, maybe that's the best thing you can offer the Delacroix and the Percys. A wish for their peace.
You know, I've never known real love. Never loved women or anybody, all the while myself. Figures I'd have to go to my death to find love. Thank you for loving me. getting busy around here. Look at the time. Time flies. Would just about make it. But I saved this. Getting cold in here.
Can someone bring him a shirt? He's cold.
What happened to that song you're gonna play me?
Oh, the hymn. They have rules forbidding music in prison. So they won't let me play it for you.
Yeah. But you can sing it? You know the words.
No, I can't sing.
It's okay, come on.
Right. You shall cross the barren desert, but you shall not die of thirst. You shall wander far in safety, though you do not know the way. You shall see the face of God and live. Be not afraid. I go before you always. Come, follow me, and I will give you rest. Be not afraid. For you always come, follow me.
Thank you. Thank you.